Environmental regulation requirements are becoming rigorous in an effort to reduce waste, limit hazardous substances, and shift toward the use of recyclable material for minimal environmental impact throughout electrical and electronic industries. Alpha Wire's EcoGen line of eco-friendly wire and cable products are manufactured with innovative materials that meet environmental regulation requirements while delivering the performance and reliability required throughout a wide range of industries, including aerospace and defense, energy, electronics, industrial automation, medical devices, semiconductor equipment, and more. The EcoCable and EcoCable Mini are 100% recyclable control cables constructed with modified polyphenylene ether insulation and jacketing that is 47% smaller and 65% lighter than standard PVC cables. With 87% lower outgassing, the EcoCable and EcoCable Mini meet RoHS and WEEE requirements and contains no halogens, phthalates, or heavy metals. The lightweight and small control cable design offers excellent EMI protection and is rated for up to 600 volts with a temperature range of -50 to 105 degrees Celsius. The EcoWire and EcoWire Plus hookup wires provide low outgassing in a 45% smaller and 40% lighter hookup wire alternative to PVC. The MPPE insulation is non-halogenated and contains no heavy metal pigments for meeting waste electrical and electronic equipment requirements. EcoWire is flame retardant, while EcoWire Plus is oil and chemical resistant. The EcoFlex cable is ideal for NFPA 79 applications exposed to constant flex with a 1 million flex life cycle rating and a 5 times bend radius minimum, along with a 600-volt rating and excellent EMI shielding. The EcoFlex PUR introduces abrasion, UV, and oil resistance in a zero-halogen polyurethane jacket. The 600-volt rated flex cable has an 8 million plus flex life cycle and is 40% smaller and 44% lighter than traditional PVC options. Learn more at Heilind.com.